video, you will learn the concept about the line of projection, and the second concept is the angle between a line and a plane. So first of all, what's the meaning of projection? I will explain it by example. So first of all, I have two planes. One is ABCD, and the second plane is DCEF. So if I have a line FB, okay, so the first question asked you is what is the projection of the FB project on the plane ABCD. Okay, I will make a model for you. So for example, I make a model is here. Okay, we have a plane. So we have a plane here. Okay, so one plane is ABCD and the second plane is DCEF. So first of all, if I want to project from the line here, FB, to the plane ABCD, that means we have a light torch. Okay, so this is make a light beam here, light ray from upper to the plane ABCD. Can you see a shadow of DB, right? Okay, so for DB, this length, okay, for the length BD, it will call the projection of the line FB to DB. Okay, this is the meaning of the line of projection. So we have another way to project the light. Okay, so if I want to project the line FB to the plane CDEF, okay, the DCEF, we have another torch. Okay, you see the shadows of the light of the line FB? It will become the projection of the line FB is FC, right? So this is then another projection line. Okay, this is the first concept. So let's move to our question is, so FB project on the plane ABCD, it will becomes the line. We call it DB. Okay, this is the first one. And the second one is FB project to the plane DCEF. It will becomes a line FC. Okay, this is the first concept of line of projection. Okay, and then for the second concept is the angle between a line and a plane. For example, is angle between FB and the plane ABCD is which angle, and the second one is also angle between FB and the plane DCEF. So what will it be? So let's move to our object first. Okay, so first of all, if I want to find the angle between the line FB, okay, to the plane, this one, first of all, we have found the line of projection DB, and the angle between these two lines is the angle between a line and a plane. So that means the angle is FBD. Okay, understand? FBD. And you can pay attention is the triangle FDB, which should be a right angle triangle. Okay, it should be a right angle triangle because the plane DCEF is perpendicular to ABCD. And for second angle is if the line is FB between the plane DCEF. That means first of all you need to find is the line of projection CF. Okay, CF, and the angle between CF and the line FB, this angle. Okay, I rotate it, this angle. Okay, so that means it should be a angle BFC. Okay, BFC, it should be the angle between the line FB and the plane DCEF. And you can pay attention is angle FBC is also a right angle triangle. Okay, so let's move back to our question. Is the first, so I mark it in red color is to FB to ABCD, which will become angle FBD, and the angle FDB is a right angle triangle. Okay, so the first one. And the second one is FB to DCEF. This one becomes angles BFC. And the triangle, okay, sorry, the triangle is of BCF is also a right angle triangle. So for the first one, line of projection is not difficult, and the angle between the line of and a plane is, first of all, you need to find, the first step is you need to find a line of projection, and the second one is the angle between the line and your line of projection, which will becomes the angle of the line and the plane. So that's the end of the today's concept.